the best trucking jobs you could get as a beginner. 1, touch freight. Try to get on a dedicated route that's touch freight. Right now, touch freight is paying the most for beginner drivers. If you don't mind going in the back and unloading that trailer, breaking the sweat a little bit, you're going to be getting paid good. Now, sometimes touch freight, they do want you to be out 5 days home on the weekends. Or if you're lucky, you could get a local job. But local jobs, they want at least 6 months to a year experience to get paid a good number. But if you over the road, they taking anybody. Long as you willing to work and put in that work, they gonna pay you. It's not that bad. Another one. If you don't mind sharing a truck with somebody, team driving. Team driving is always good. Companies love when 2 people pair up and drive on that truck. The truck never stop moving. If you don't mind sleeping while the truck moving, you gonna be good. If you don't mind sharing the truck with a partner, you gonna be good. The more miles you get in, the more money you gonna make, the more loads you gonna pick up, the happier the company gonna be. So that's another one. You gotta check that out. You could also do flatbed. If you get lucky enough and find a flatbed position with little to no experience, you learn flatbed, the one. Especially in the summertime. Everybody know construction pop in the summertime. Everything's getting built in the summertime. Everything. Construction workers need a product to build the house. Who's going to bring the product? The material? The truck driver. You. So if you see a position, if you see an opening for a flatbed job, take it. You think over $1,500 a week, we making moves. Especially if you a new driver coming in the game with little to no experience, you making moves. Because by the time next year roll it in, you got experience under your belt. Imagine what you're going to do for the following years. It's plain and simple, I'm telling you. And let me tell you a little secret about the trucking industry. Come in the game with your endorsements. Don't just drive drive-ins. Get your hazmats. Get your tankers. Like I said, learn flatbed. Get your doubles. Get your triples. So that way, you available to all positions. Once you do that, you're going to be good. Once you can identify what trailers you're hauling and what season is good for the right trailer, you're going to be in the game. But also take your time though, because you're new. It's a lot to learn. First of all, you got to learn how to be safe. You got to learn how to drive. And you got to learn how to back that trailer up without hitting anything. So, safety first. And then the money. But that was just some positions for new drivers to look into. It helped me out a lot. I looked on YouTube. And what I'm telling y'all, I learned from somebody else. I tried it and it worked. And the last thing I want to mention. If you come in the trucking industry trying to run a business, but you want to be a driver first, and you got some money in your account, try to do lease purchase. Lease purchase, leasing a truck for a mega carrier, and running loads off their load board, that's going to teach you something. That's going to teach you about the business. For real. I'm telling you, man. I learned so much with lease purchasing. So much that, like, I appreciate it. I got in at a bad time where the rates was, like, a little low. But the experience I had was $1 million worth of game. Shout out to Wallow and Gilly. It was like crazy. It teach you how to be your own boss. It teach you how to pick your own loads. It teach you what state. That's for the next video. I don't want to get too much into that. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.